Hey guys, so I've got another traffic source for you today and a source of backlinks as well. So let's head over to SimilarWeb and I'll show you the stats. There's not a great deal to look at, but it will give us a rough idea of the traffic levels so you can decide for yourself if this is worth your time. So in SimilarWeb, we can see that this website that we're thinking about using today gets between 300,000 and 500,000, 500,000 unique visitors every single month. And if we scroll down, you can see that there's not a great deal of data about this platform. That's okay. Let's have a look at what Rank 2 traffic says. So here we've got a slightly different picture of events in Rank 2 traffic. So you can see here in 2017, a couple of years ago, it was getting around 600,000 visitors a month, and then it dipped down to 100,000. Hey, it's still impressive, right? We like to see these kind of numbers, but you can see it dipped down and then it's been steadily increasing over the last year or so, and it's gone up now to almost 500,000 visitors a month. There you can see 400,000, but let's have a look at the last 6 months. So here you can see 300,000 visitors a month, and it's pretty steady up to 400,000. So over the last 6 months, it's been fairly consistent. So I don't think this traffic source is going anywhere. I think it's going to stay around. So we can see that the line is fairly consistent. Let's go check it out. So today's traffic source I've got for you is called Folkd.com. That's FOLKD.com. Let's take a look at this site. So here you can see it's got a few banner ads. That's okay. They've got to monetize themselves somehow, don't they? But check this out. Before we dive into it, it says that it's got this many users. What's that? 5 million users? And there's 56 million bookmarks and 100 million websites on this platform. So it's social bookmarking, so anyone can post a link to the content on here. Before we really explore this, let's check something. So here, this is a link someone has posted. As you can see, it's just going to a YouTube video. Let's right click, inspect element. Let's see if it's a no follow or a do follow. There you can see the href thingy equals, and because we don't have a no follow tag in here, that tells us this is a do follow link. And I know that you guys love do follow links, but even if a platform we use doesn't have do follow, it's still worthwhile using it. I've already said multiple times before that we need to have a good mix of do follow and no follow to make the link profile look natural. So this is all good. It's do follow, and it looks like the community would be able to maybe vote on it on this content. We can see the last 24 hours, the most recent stuff, the most popular stuff of the last 7 days, the last 30 days, all time most popular content. We can filter through pages, news, videos. This is really nice. On this side, we've got popular tags, and here you can see business is one of the biggest tags standing out there. These little tag things, usually the bigger the font, the more popular the tag. So here it looks like hotel is the most popular tag on this platform. Business is up there as well. Marketing is pretty popular too. Software. So let's explore more so we can see the most popular tags. So maybe you'll be able to tag your own content with whatever you like. We'll find out in a few minutes. But there you can see some of the topics that this website accepts. So let's go back to the home page. Oh, that's nice. So it's got a video explaining how to use the website. If you want to do that, that could be worth doing. But check this out. So we can search for popular links, bookmarking. So we can add links to this. Let's go back to the homepage. Let's search for quality websites. So I'm going to type in marketing. Let's see what we've got. A whole heap of content here. Look at the tags. Look at the crazy amount of tags that you can add. So if we click on one of these, so mobile, marketing mobile. So we can really drill down and get niche specific on here. Shall we add a new link? Should we add something here? So, okay, how do we do that? So let's register for free. Okay, so we've done that, and now it's asking me if I want to add friends so I can connect by Twitter or Facebook. I'm not going to bother with doing that. It's asking me if I could to find interesting people. So this is pretty cool. So we might be able to network with people, find other people who are interested in your niche. So it looks pretty good. Let's go to the top nav here. So where we're logged in, we've got an option to add a link. Let's click on that. I'm going to add a link to one of my videos. So choose link type. You might want to go for a web page or news story if it's current. I'm going to go for video. I've pasted in a link to my YouTube video there. Click submit. Okay, cool. I can add a unique title. So this could be really good for SEO. So if we don't want to compete with the piece of content you're linking to, we might want to create a unique title, make it strong, but still have relevant keywords in here. So free traffic source for internet marketers, I might just go with that. And here we can add a description. So just for demo purposes, I'm going to leave it as is. We can add tags, really nice. So let's say digital marketing. I assume it's going to be a comma to separate it. Maybe I'm wrong about that. We'll find out. Digital marketing, blogging, bloggers, content creators. Okay, now we can choose the privacy, public or private. Obviously we want this to be public, don't we? So we want search engines to find this piece of content that we contribute and pass on link juice. So let's do the capture thing. So cars. That's good. A robot has confirmed that I'm not a robot. Save item, excuse me. And there we go. There you can see that this piece of content that I've submitted has been added to the website. We've got a little star icon. I assume that's going to be some kind of vote for it, maybe. We've got a save icon there. So maybe we will be able to bookmark this on the platform. And then we've got an email icon. So maybe we can send this to our friends or something. So that's pretty good. That's a nice, easy to use platform, right? But this is just one platform. This is just one traffic source. And we need lots of different sources if we really want to grow online. So I'm going to give you a free training course. When you go to profitgopilot.com/traffic, grab that. It's going to show you how to drive lots of targeted traffic to your website for free. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel too. Hit the little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again on Monday. So have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you then. Take care.